Having an optimistic mindset leads you an extraordinary result. Hello Higala! Welcome back to my channel. Before anything else nga pala, I would like to say thank you to all those who support my channel and to those who subscribe. You mean a lot to me guys. And to all of my students out there, thanks to all of you guys because you always believe that I can do great things by sharing my knowledge and experience to everybody. Now, this is my second video for our math tutorial. Sana po makatulong po ito sa inyo. Our topic for today, it's all about the sum and difference rule. Just watch this. Now, let's say we have the sum of these two different functions, f of x plus g of x. According to the definition, so it becomes like this. Okay, simple as that. We found out that we have the first derivative and the second derivative. As well as for the difference, so we have f of x minus g of x. It becomes, first we're going to derive this one, then minus. That's it. Okay, for example, find the derivative where f of x equals 5x cubed plus 7x squared. Okay, we have the solution. All you need to do, then apply the power rule. So 5 times 3x 3 minus 1 plus 7 times 2x 2 minus 1. Then so we come up with the final answer, which is 5 times 3, 15x squared plus 7 times 2, 14x 2 minus 1. Okay, so we have the final answer. Proceed tayo sa difference example. Find the derivative of the function where g of x equals x to the power of 7 minus cube root of x squared. First thing to do, we're going to rewrite first the function. Equals x of 7 minus x 2 over 3. So, yan po. Then, madali na lang po itong i-derive. G equals 7x 7 minus 1 minus 2/3 times x 2/3 minus 1. Okay, yan po. So 7 6 minus 2/3 2/3 minus 1, it's negative 1/3. And then final answer is minus 2 over 3 cube root of x. So, ito po yung final answer niya. Sir, what if we have two operations, the sum and difference of the function given? Example, find the derivative of the function where f of x equals 9x to the fourth minus 7x cubed plus 4x squared. Okay, solution. Okay, 9 is 3, no, 4 x cubed minus 7 times 3x squared plus 4 times 2x. Okay. So we have the final answer. 9 times 4x cubed, that is 36x cubed minus 21x squared plus 8x. Tanong na naman, what if there is a constant given which included in the function? For example, we're going to derive this function. Okay, so we have the solution equals 3 times 3x squared plus 7 times 2x minus 2 times 1x to the 0 plus apply the constant rule, so it becomes 0. And then 3 times 3x squared, that is 9x squared plus 14x minus 2. So since the x has a power of 0, then it becomes 1. Then copy din. May x pala dito. 14x minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Tanong, sir, mayroon pa rin tayong constant dito. Okay lang yan kasi nagkaroon ko lang naman ng constant dahil sinolve natin to. Kaya naging ganito. So ito na yung final answer niyan. Another question na naman. Okay, last na po to. What if we have negative exponent in our function? Example, if h of x equals 5x to the power of 6 minus 4, x to the power of negative 3 plus 3x to the power of negative 2, find the derivatives. Okay, madali lang po to. 5 times 6 minus 1 is 4 times negative 3x negative 3 minus 1 plus 3 times negative 2 x negative 2 minus 1. Dali na lang yan. 5 times 6x, that is 30. X 6 minus 1, that is 5. Negative 4 times negative 3x, that is positive 12x. Negative 3 minus 1, negative 4. Plus positive 3 times negative 2x, that is negative 6x. Negative 3. Okay, final answer po. Plus 12. Ilalagay po natin tong negative 4 sa baba. Minus 6x cube. Ano po yung final answer? Maraming nagsasabi na hindi nila kaya ang mga bagay na napakahirap gawin. Alam nyo po ba kung bakit ito napakahirap? Kasi lahat ng mga bagay na gusto nating gawin ay nagmumula sa ating mindset. Sabi nga nila, what you sow is what you reap. Parang ganito lang din yan. What you think is what you do. For me, having an optimistic mindset leads you an extraordinary result. Life is what we gonna make. Just think about it. Para sa mga hindi pa nakakita ng unang topic, all you need to do, just click the link sa baba ng video ito. And for more updates, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be more updated to my upcoming videos.